you guys feeling?
Very good.
You guys excited?
Yeah. Excited.
Okay, this way.
So my name is Neil Curtis. I am the founder and director of Farm Up Jamaica. And today we had about 600 people come to visit us here in Jamaica to plant ginger from doTERRA, the essential oils company.
The hope is that when we harvest this ginger, that when we do a distillation, that it has the same chemical profile as the earlier ginger that we tested here from Jamaica. If it does, it's an exciting new source for ginger. And if we can create a demand for that ginger with doTERRA, then we can expand this farm and create a great export. We're working with the people that had cleared this land that will benefit from this. We also have a number of students with us from the local college that are learning how to become farmers.
Our students will walk you through the process of planting ginger, establishing a ginger field, and they will be the persons that will watch over this project until the end of it come maybe in another 10 to 12 months.
So today it's basically you're going to do the labor, if you want to put it that way, while we instruct you on what to do.
We're putting a partnership together between Farm Up Jamaica, doTERRA, and the students to make sure that when this ginger is reaped, that they're able to profit share in this ginger. Ultimately, they're going to become entrepreneurs, and they'll be able to graduate from school and then have something else to do.
What we did is came in and took out the big rocks, the twigs, cleared it, planted the ginger so that hopefully we can help their economy and use the ginger as oil someday.
We just love being able to get our hands dirty, get down, feel like we're planting something that's going to be here and make an impact. That's co-impact sourcing. That's what we're all about, is blessing the people who are growing the plants and blessing our lives at the same time.
You've got hundreds of people working, loving what they're doing, and really making a difference. And it's good representation for how we're changing people's life.